going to do here?
Okay, we're going as well as take a look at your dishwashing machines, a flight machine as well as a conveyor machine for maintenance as well as troubleshooting.
So usually, right?
What kind of problems do you have with the customer?
Skill still. The skills in spot, no success. Let's say the tube hardened already, maker cannot suction properly.
Okay, how just now?
Okay, so basically whatever that Kumar, our technician, has shown you is our daily maintenance for the machine, or at least twice a week. Daily maintenance is important because it helps to maintain and upkeep your machine, keeping it in tip-top optimal condition. Because if the machine is not being maintained, you not only use more chemicals, you use more electricity, use more water. And if the machine does break down, it affects your operation substantially. So maintain the machine will work for you. No point wasting tons of money on a machine and yet you do not maintain it. The best part of it all is that whatever has Kumar done just now, you can do it too at your own restaurant. So for more details, please follow the link for more information.